Okay. We should be live. I'm just waiting for the return to see if I have sound on my live. Let's check directly here. Just a couple more seconds and we should be all good. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Have my analytics right there. Nice. Okay. Hello, everyone. Where did I put my glasses? Okay. Was looking for those. Boom. All right. Start recording. And let's go. Okay. So yesterday, we were like in the middle steps of building the extruder for the printer. So yeah, a big task. But we do make some amazing progress. We were at the extruder idler part preparation. So let's do this right away. Extruder idler, we do need one. This is it right there. My glasses are a little bit smudgy. We'll have to do something about that. There we go. So, nice. Still working? Yeah. So I do need this Bountech without the whole screws. Okay. Bearings, two that might be stuck inside the gear. The shaft, one M3 and nut, M340 screw, and the idler spring. Okay. So all of those components. Oh, this is really tiny. Okay. There. One nut. And that should be it. The two M340s, as well as the spring. Place the spring on the screw. Will do. There we go. Insert both bearings in the pulley. Be aware that the bearing can slip out during assembly. Okay. That's scary. That's already scary. Wait, they said both bearings? Oh, yeah, there you go. Boom. We take this, we place the nut in, and apparently we need to do the pulling technique again. Yes, obviously we do. There we go. Feeling way better than yesterday, that's for sure. Had an amazing 8 hours night of sleep, which is rare nowadays, and it feels wonderful. It's really hot in here though. I will get sweaty really fast, can already feel it. Insert the pulley in the idler, as shown as the picture. Slide the shaft through the idler and pulley. Use reasonable force, or you will break the printed part. The shaft should be flush with the surface of the 3D printed part. Okay. Place your finger on the bearing and ensure it rotates freely. Okay. So this is oriented this way. Boom. Oh, this is why they said reasonable force. Okay. Oof. Okay, this is a tough one. Is this supposed to be symmetrical? No, it's not. Huh. I'll put it the other way around. Goodness. Oof. Okay. She had a little bit of the page here, but that's all right. That happens. Okay. There you go. Should be flush. There you go. This is flush, right? And it can rotate freely. Perfect. Correct orientation, correct orientation. Perfect. Next. Let's use this opportunity to check once more that the proper alignment of the filament with the bound tech bearing. Push the filament from the top through the bound tech into the PFT tube. The PTFE tube. Okay. Check the alignment if needed. Adjust the position. Tighten the screw. Be careful. You can easily strip it. Remove the filament. I unfortunately broke the filament yesterday, so we need to cut another piece. That should be enough. Okay, so how do they do this? They are, I think, like that. Yeah. This looks to be aligned perfectly to me. Yeah. So now we can tighten this one. Being careful not to tighten it too much. There you go. Nice. Place the extruder idler down in place and secure it with the M340 screw. Don't tighten the screw too firmly, it serves as a shaft for the idler. Check that the idler can rotate freely. Okay. I don't really understand. Oh, okay, the entire idler. All right. So this is all the way over there, and this is supposed to fit this way. Oh, this is so nice. Damn. Okay. This is incredibly put together. Clear instructions. Didn't rage quit a single time. Well, we're also only like around halfway through, I think. Yeah, there you go. This is enough. Okay. Boom. Next, FS cover and M310 screw. That's an M310. And the FS cover, there it is. Like this. Place the FS cover on the extruder and align it, goodness, according to the picture. Insert the M310 screw. Tip: if you can't reach the nut, try to align it using the Allen key. Opening it using a full threaded screw. Okay. This is rotated somewhat like this? Really? Oh, okay. Goodness, bless me. Looks to be aligned properly. Nice. Use the M340 screw with the spring and place it in the idler. Hold the extruder idler on one side until the screw reaches the nut. Since there is only one screw, you need to introduce a large force. Okay. The head of the screw should be roughly aligned, flush with the surface. This can be adjusted later. Something like this. Okay. There. This is enough, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Print fan support by preparation. Print fan support. This one, an M310 and an M3N. This is an M310. And this is the nut we need with it. Take the M3 nut and insert it all the way to the support. Okay, one screw all the way. Let's be careful and push it through. Okay. Isn't this like biting through? That's gonna be way tougher than I thought. Okay. Oh. Obviously this is the wrong one. And that one too. Didn't I have another Allen key that was supposed to work with that? Alright. And there. How you can get clients? I don't really understand your question. Do you mean freelance clients? There's a lot of things you can do to find freelance clients. If that's your question, obviously. There. Place the support on the extruder and ensure the inclined part is facing down. They do it this way, right? Yeah, ooh, this is going to be really tight. Terribly tight, okay. So how can you get freelance clients? This is a question that was asked in chat. So there is a lot of things you can do. Everyone is different for that. My advice Well, how it worked, I'm gonna first say how it worked for me, and if you should do the same or not. Me, like when I started freelancing, I wasn't looking for clients actually. It was just my very first few clients was just people who saw my work online, let's say on Instagram, for example, and just DM me asking me to do this or that work. And apparently this is what actually a lot of people do. You should, like, if you are actively looking for clients, I think you should post your work online and wait for people to come to you. If you actively research though, I don't really have for the moment actual, how can I say that? Like, yeah, actual suggestions to you, because like I never did it. When I am downtime though, and like I have space to, like I have time to have a freelance client, I would just contact my older clients and tell them, hey, I am available for freelance right now. Would you happen to have anything? And that's just it. Other than that, find something that you love, post it online everywhere. Instagram, Twitter. Twitter is a big one. And people will come to you. This is my advice on how to find clients as a freelancer. This is not working well. Okay. Oh, there you go. This is a way better angle. Yeah. All right. Is it secured enough? Maybe not. Boom. This was the one I was looking for. Goodness. Okay. Fan shroud, part preparation, both fan versions. Okay. First of all, I need the shroud. Version A, the fan cable bundle is covered in a black sleeve. The parts are shown in the first picture. Okay. Fan shroud, M3NS nut. We got one right here. And for the version A, we need the M320 screw. Is that the M320? Yes, it is. I don't think I have anything else than the M320s. Yeah. Okay. Insert the nut all the way in. We are starting to get used to that. So this is this way, and we place it here. Okay. This is one of my least favorite things to do during this build. Because like it feels so wrong, like you feel like you are going to break something. And fortunately, it didn't happen yet. Right as I say this, it looks like I fractured a piece of the filament. Well, I think I'm gonna be okay, but if I have issues later down the line, I will know where it comes from. Oh, goodness. Yes, it's broken. Let's hope it's not too important. It's a fan shroud, so that should be all right. Like, it doesn't have to do anything with the filament or anything, so let's pray. Yes, it's definitely broken. Well, I know that I will be able to reprint that in the future, so that's nice. Because yeah, this is open source, so all the building parts and everything is online to be able to build it, so that's perfect. And to correct the alignment with the Allen key, this is done. Slide the fan shrouds into the extruder. Make sure that both protrusion of the fan shroud fits into the groove. This is weird though. How do you put this in? I am not sure of the placement of... Okay. So they hold it this way, right? Yes, no, maybe. I am so unsure of how this works. What? Okay, I'm lost. I'm really lost. Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh, nice. Oof, but it doesn't fit super duper nicely. Oh, yes, it does. My bad. Okay, I think we're gonna be okay with the part I sort of broke. Because everything seems to go perfectly inside and holds the fracture together. So that's nice. Did you learn 1GM from reading documentation or tutorial? I'm going to reread this because that wasn't the best way of reading that. Did you learn WebGL from reading documentation or tutorial? And how you organize your life? And learned a lot of things in this age. First of all, thank you. To answer your question, I learned WebGL, I think at the time it was with YouTube tutorials, but like those were old YouTube tutorials. You shouldn't learn those anymore. And I bought a book based on that. But I answered this question a few days ago. The way I learned it wasn't the best. Because when I got into web development, like even before I knew about HTML, CSS, and the basic JavaScript, I directly wanted to learn WebGL. So I got into that without learning JavaScript, which was a bad idea. So it took me a long time before I was able to build anything with it. But I guess now, if I started to learn it right now, it would be like everything else I learn. It would just be project-based. Every time I try to learn something, I try to set up a goal with achievable little amounts of work, and I just build on that. How do I organize my life? Nothing crazy. Eat healthy. Try to work out. Drink your water. And I'm just naturally curious, I would say. And this is what allows me to learn all of those things. There is nothing impressive in that, in my opinion. It's just that I like to do it. If it's a chore for you to learn new things, well, try to learn something else, because it means it's not for you. As long as you enjoy your work, you will be able to do whatever you want. I think so. Yeah. And to go back on that, how do you organize your life? One thing that did help me quite a lot is to do to-do lists, but do it like the night before your day starts, and try to focus everything in the morning. And the afternoon is just for, let's say, if you're a freelancer, business development and stuff like that, like to have your mind wander away. For example, this stream and everything around it is new to me. I'm doing it in the afternoon. Yeah. I hope I answered your question as detailed as possible, but this could be an entire video by itself, to be completely honest with you. Okay. Slide the fan shroud, make sure this is done. Mount the fan shroud using the select provided, okay. Version A. Secure it using the M310 screw. Don't over tighten the screw, you can break the plastic casing. Also make sure the fan can rotate freely. There. They say do not over tighten the thing. I'm gonna try to do that. Enough. And the fan can rotate. Perfect. Next. Print fan part preparation. Oh, I guess this was made for that. All right. This looks super flimsy though. Super thin part. I'm gonna try to be really careful. So I do need this fan. Where did I put that box? In here. Yeah. So we need the fan. We need 2 M320s and 1 nut. Here. First, slide the fan into the fan shroud. Make sure it is aligned properly. Fix the fan in place with the F320 screws. Tighten carefully. Don't damage the fan casing. We'll try. Turn the extruder around and insert the M3N screw. No need to pull it in. We will use the screw. Okay. If you have trouble inserting the nut, try pulling it in with the fan removed by using a shorter screw from the spare bag. Okay. I think this is what I'm going to do first. Because like for the moment, it was really hard to insert anything that had to do with the nut. So, yeah. Wait, where was the nut supposed to go? Like, they insert the fan, watching this that way, and... Oh, okay. Yeah. So they said slide it in. I mean, that looks okay. Sort of okay. Yeah. It doesn't slide in, yeah, because there is no recess parts to this. Huh. Okay. This looks like it is going to be tough. Gonna do my best. There you go. And do it tight, not too much. Whoa. next, this part with the nut on the other side. Oh, that one fits super nicely. Nice. Is it touching the screw? No, it doesn't. Okay, have an idea. Not the best one, but I'm gonna try. Oh, that was a crazy good idea. Okay. Almost. Gonna push it in just a tad more. Okay, nice. Okay, does it bite now? Yes, it does. Whew. And the fan can spin. Nice. And then we need to guide the cable. So oh, there. Okay. It will go all the way here. Nice. Okay. Did you create a YouTube channel to help people or to win money? I did YouTube since I was, I think, 14 years old. I was doing speed drawings at the time. Then back in high school, I tried to do a bunch of funny videos that was for my friends, and always with this goal of maybe trying to impact a few people. But it was basically always here. The goal of this YouTube channel right now, though, I think the thing that I'm trying to achieve right now is to have somewhere online that I can post basically showcases of what I can do skill-wise, and that could interest a couple of people, let's say like recruiters for potential internships, stuff like that. Find associates, clients. But also, I think it can help a lot, like some other people. Like for example, the 2 other videos that are on my YouTube channel right now, apart from the building of the printer, are ways, they're not really tutorials, but they do inspire some people, I guess. But like we are working with a really small scale at the moment. But yeah, I think this is why I created this channel, is to showcase what I can do. And if some people find interest in that, like entertainment-wise, oh my God, I cannot speak today. Entertainment-wise, this is perfect. For example, YouTube channel that I absolutely love, Alex Steele. He's an amazing craftsmanship, all about blacksmithing. I am not a blacksmith, and I'm not following his videos as tutorials. but I just love to watch him, as I think a lot of other people. So if I can create that, but with more technological technologies, that would be perfect. So yeah, this is my answer to your question. So that is done. Well, appears to be done. Next, I need the Super Pinder sensor. That's it. Okay. Oof. That doesn't look promising. Insert the sensor in the holder in the exact position. Exact position doesn't matter. We will adjust it later. Tighten the M310 screw. Just slightly. There is an M310 screw in here. Did I put that in? Yes, there is. Huh. Let's untighten it though. Create a loop with the cable, push the cable. Okay, let's first put it in. I am so scared to break something at this point when I just like leave it down. This is starting to be really heavy as well. I don't know how this is going to work on the actual printer. We'll see, let's just trust the process. For the moment, everything is going sort of great. I did break a part though, but that's all right. Okay. So this goes before the cable, so like that. Victor, hello boy, how are you? Hope you're doing okay during those wonderful vacations that we rightfully deserve as engineering students. Oh my god. Please. How do they put it in? I don't understand. Like, it's so tight. Okay, I'm just going to take the screw completely out for the moment. With the right Allen key, please. And boom. Can I do something like this? Oh, there you go. Okay. Position seems to be all right. And boom. Thought I lost the screw for a sec. There you go. Tighten the screw, but just slightly. Okay. Just slightly. Create a loop with the cable from the sensor. So something I reckon like. Please. Okay, I have issues creating loops now. There you go. And pass it through the gap. Ooh, this is a nice tight fit. Perfect. Push the cable in the channel towards the fan cable. Yep. Done. This is getting quite messy, but we are making progress. Following steps, please prepare 2 zip ties. There is none in this box, but I saw some in here. Oh. Yeah. There is some zip ties in here. Not too boring the assembly. No, it's actually quite fun. It is scary though at a few times. Like, I thought that this was going to be yeah, I knew it was going to be difficult, but not that tiring. Like when I finish a building session, I go home and dude, I am so tired. Like you have to focus so much. And also like my back hurts from doing all this. I do have 2 zip ties now. Insert the zip ties in the X carriage, like in the picture. Oh, we're going to put it on the printer. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this is so nice. Okay. Yeah. Boom. So how do I do that? Oh. Okay, understood. Well, this is supposed to go this way. Okay. So big part down, and I just push it through. Nice. Okay. And next one. Big part down. Okay. Lower the x-axis about 1/3 from the top. Looks like 1/3 to me. Turn the printer like in the picture. So I need it faced the other way. Goodness, my wrist is hurting. Boom. Hurting quite a bit. And I align it this way. Align the bearing similar to the picture. The exact position of the lower bearing doesn't matter for now. Turn all the 3 bearings so that the marking is facing you. Okay. Place the extruder onto the bearings from the other side. Make sure the bearing openings in the X carriage are facing towards you, together with the shorter extrusion of the frame. And as our bearing perfectly on the groove. Okay. We'll adjust the lower bearing later on. Tighten and cut the zip ties. This looks to be a really crucial moment. I think I watched some videos on the most successful people on YouTube and tried to absorb and took some notes on how they became successful. That will help you a lot. This is what I do already. For example, this morning, coming back from the gym, currently listening to the Naval, That Guy podcast. So apparently a classic that I haven't watched yet. How do I put the cables though? Those are going this way, and this is perfect. And these look like they need to go down. Okay. But yeah, I totally see what you mean, and I do that. I would need to do it more though. Okay, this is starting to be a little bit scary. Oh my god. Oof. I'm really scared. It is going to slip out of my hands. So bad. Okay. I'm so scared to do anything wrong. Can you please go in? My god, trying to put the zip ties now. Okay, first zip tie in, second zip tie. Okay. Now it's the game of alignments. So I'm going to hold you like this. Try to be as aligned as possible. Okay. Like that? Yeah. So now we tighten the thing. First one is tight. Second one, whew. Okay. Is my video monetized? No. No, not at the moment. This is not the goal of all of this. Naval, okay, yeah, there you go, that guy. Naval Ravikant, I guess. One of the best people you can listen to. Yeah. I really like the guy, for the moment actually. I've been listening to, on Spotify, this 3.5 hours long podcast about his tweet storms. Really nice. Oh, the zip ties need to be up there. How am I going to do this without moving the... Okay. Same thing here. All right. Oh, that cable was misplaced though. That's all right. Boom. Sort of all right. Okay. Well, nice. Then we got zip ties. One and two. Boom. That makes me really happy. Let's go. Whew. Okay. So now, place the cable and then spin to the board over the lower smooth rod. Something like this. Yep. Place the cables of the hot end fan side over the lower smooth rod. So same thing here. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Almost. Can you hear the music, by the way? You should be. Yeah. All right. Align the bearing so it fits nicely in the X carriage. Well, it does now. So smooth. Progress, baby. Whew. Step 51. Take the belt. There you go. Here it is. Insert the flat part of the X-axis belt into the X carriage, as shown in the picture. We'll try. Okay. All right. Boom. Use a screwdriver on the smallest Allen key to push the belt in. Will do. I mean, yeah. Doesn't seem like I can push it further than that. Okay. Whew. Guide the belt through the X-idler. Ooh. Continue with the belt through the X carriage and guide the X-axis belt through the X and motor on the GT216 pulley. Okay. But is there anything inside here? Oh yes, there is. All right. Please? Nope. Okay. Let me try to clean a little bit of this workspace. There you go. Nice. Yeah. Next, through here. And finally, all the way over there. Okay, and boom. Nice. Before you continue to go through the X-axis, please release 2 of the M3 motor screw. Okay. Rotate the X-axis motor as indicated. Insert the flat part of the screw in the X carriage in the second picture. There will be belt overhang. Don't trim it yet. All right. So first of all, need to take off some screws. Those 2. They say take off. Yeah, release. Okay. This is released. Yep. Ow. Just a little bit more. something like this, right? Yep. Okay, I need to rotate that one again. I don't understand. Okay. We need a little bit more tension. Yep, this looks to be okay. Nice. So, pushing it through. Appears to be a crucial part of the build. Nice. And then I guess, okay, this is where you tighten the thing. Using your right hand, rotate the motor in its original position and hold it. Tension is applied to the belt. Using 2 fingers on the belt, left push the belt together. Very small force should be needed, bending the belt, but the belt should be bent by its own weight before being pressed with your finger. Doesn't seem to be the case. Oh, the belt shouldn't be bent by its own weight before being pressed with your finger. If you're struggling to rotate the motor back into position, the belt tension is too high. I don't think it's too high. I think it's perfect. Okay? Oh, I'm not screwing in. Please screw in, goodness. There you go. That's all right. Keyframe frequency? What? Okay, appears to be an error on my YouTube stream. This is new. Huh. All right. Hell yes. It's really nice. We are making so much progress. Let's go. Can feel the end of this part approaching. Aligning the x-axis belt. Both top and bottom parts of the belt should be parallel. I mean, why won't it be? That seems to be perfect. Yeah, and over there? I mean, yeah. To adjust the belt position, release the screw on the pulley and move it slightly until it reaches the best position. Tighten both screws on the pulley. What do you mean both screws? Huh. Let's make it just for good measure, but I think we are all right. Oh, this is too small. Nope. No, seem to be all right. Oh, both screws. Yes, there's two. Okay. That's one. That's two. Nice. Okay. Use the technique described below to test if the belt is properly stretched. Use the pliers and hold the x-axis motor shaft. Like that. Move the motor extruder towards the motor. Don't use excessive force. If the belt is stretched properly, you should feel resistance and the extruder won't move at all. If the belt is too loose, it will deform, creating waves and jump over the teeth of the pulley. I think it won't happen. I tight it really well. Yeah. Yeah. Seems to be all right. Seems to be all right. Trimming the x-axis belt. For the following step, we recommend getting a white marker, but you can also trim the belt without it. Measure the part which must be trimmed and gently take the end belt away from the x-axis carriage, but make sure at least 3 to 4 teeth are still in the X carriage, as you don't want to lose the tension. Yeah. Ensure again your mark is correct and position the belt until it's stretched. Using pliers, cut the belt and push it back in the carriage. All right. I do not have a marker, but I think I would be able to we'll do this. I just have to remember. Oh, can you still hear me? Yeah. Okay. Part 60. Nylon guide parts. Seems to be it. Black nylon filament. Hello? Michael, I need to change this cable. Check if the filament is fitted properly. Gently pull it with your hands. The x-axis should bend a little, but the filament must remain in the slot. If you have issues, please try to adjust the tip of the filament. Whew, okay. Oh my god. How is that supposed to work? Oh. Is that in? Okay, the whole line on using the smallest Allen key. Introducing obstacles inside. Using the pliers, insert the nylon filament with the pointed end in the slot. Twist the filament while pushing in. Nope, that doesn't work. There's a little part of plastic that is messing with me. Man, this is tough. This is really tough. Okay, let's try something else. There you go. Okay. I did put a lot of force doing this, so this should be okay. Check if the filament is seated properly. Gently pull with your hand. The x-axis should bend a little, but the filament must remain in the slot. Please. It does bend. So I'm gonna leave it here for now. Whew, that was tough. X-carriage back plate preparation. X-carriage back. Cable holder. M340 and the nut. Nice. Cable holder assembly. Okay. Note there's a recess for the screw. Boom. Place the nut inside. Almost there. Goodness, I'm so sweaty. And boom. There we go. Rotate the X-carriage back and tighten it together with the cable holder. Check the U-shaped slot is aligned properly with both parts. What? Oh yeah, makes sense. Boom. Yeah, this is aligned, at least aligned enough. There's a little bit of a gap. Nice. Okay. Push the cable from the extruder through the X carriage. All the cables? Start with the IR sensor cable. I guess this is you. This way. Then the extruder motor. Extruder motor. Well, that was the extruder motor. And the fan. The fan is here. Okay. Next, add the printed fan and super sensor cable. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Boom. And the fan. Goodness. There are two ends of the rod and fan cable. See details. The connectors are the same. Okay. Cables from the hot end are not going through the X carriage. Done. Carefully insert the nylon filament inside the X carriage back towards the X axis. I don't really understand that, but okay. And that goes down. M310 screws, I need 4 of them. They are all 4 here. This is perfect. Those are the last 4. Okay. Before you tighten the X carriage back, arrange all cable and make sure none is pinched. Gonna try. Tighten the screws with reasonable force. Make sure you won't deform squeeze the bearings between the 3D printed parts. Goodness. This is really scary. I do have big issues with this cable though. Ugh. Okay. Whew. Okay. Okay. Why won't you fit? Come on. This should be a little bit more lined. Okay. Fuck. This is getting really tough. Whew. Let's try another one. Okay. One is in. Two. Three. And the last one. Goes here. Nope. Please. Come on. This is getting really tough. Okay. Am I aligned? Somewhat properly. Sort of. Can bring it down a little bit. Not really. I will tighten the other ones first. Whew. What did it say about tightness? Tighten the screw with reasonable force. Okay. Oh, please tell me. No. And you? Okay. One screw is not biting. This is my life right now. Yeah. You should go in though. And what about you? Maybe it's a little bit too high? I don't know. Okay. First of all, let's... Okay. Let's try again. Okay, one is in. Boom. And the last one. Nice. Whew. Oh, okay. Making progress. Oh, I need a break. My God. Ugh. Okay, what did I miss, if anything? Whew. This. All right, drink some water. Oh gosh. Okay. Whew. Okay, we're making progress. We are. We really are. Next, 5 zip ties and the textile sleeve. There are 3 sleeves. Take the largest one. Do another sleeves. One like this. And then we need 5, from what I understood. Okay. Did you provide it? Not though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Open the end of the textile sleeve and slide in inside the cable bundle leading and the extruder. Don't forget to include the black nylon filament inserted earlier. Leave the cables from the hot end for now. Length of the first wrap will be slightly longer than its cable. Goodness gracious me. Okay, I do have big issues with my cable right now. Okay. Can I make that bigger? Because this is what I need to make sure it's always working. Okay. There we go. Something like that. Okay. Looks to be all right. and seam downwards. Let me approach this chair right there. Take the mic here. All right. Okay. And then I need to take the zip ties. All right. Gently twist the sleeve to make it smaller and tighter around the cables. When the sleeve seam downwards, then slide the sleeve toward the extruder. I mean, yeah. I mean, it is as tight as I think I can get it. Yeah. Okay. Then the zip ties. They said 3. So that's one. Not too tight. Yeah. That's 2. And one last one. That's 3. Okay. Now we tighten them all together. It doesn't need to be extremely tight, I reckon. Yeah. Something like that. Then we cut the end. As close to the head as possible. This one. It's 2. Oh, that one's going to be a pain in the ass to cut. And that's 3. Make sure the hot end thermistor, this is a new word, thermistor cable okay. Nice. Make sure the hot end thermistor cable thinner pair are going above the heater cable. If not, guide them according to the picture. Okay. For that, I first need to take this off. Yeah. This is a mess. There you go. Yeah. Tighten the... Oof, okay. I was afraid for a sec. Tighten the hot end cables. Use two zip ties and push them through the upper slots of the cable. Okay. That's one. And that's two. Nope, the other way. Attention, before tightening the zip ties, add the cables from the hot end. Wait, what? I don't understand. Before tightening zip ties, add the cables from the hot end. Yeah, seems to be normal. Use the channels in the printed parts. Oh yeah, there is a channel. Okay. Open the textile sleeve and insert the cables from the hot end. Compare and log the cable management with the picture. They specify what needs to be above and what needs to be below. Sort of. The zip tie arrangement was tested with a junction molded double spool holder provided in the kit later on. If you intend to use any other frame mounted type holder, make sure the zip ties won't crash into it. I mean, it shouldn't. Which might result in print failure. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So, this needs to go something like that. Mm-hmm. Okay. I mean, looks alright to me. My God, cable management. Oh, is the nylon part to keep the sleeve all like rigid? Whew. Nice. Okay. And then we insert those ones inside. Can you please? Okay. A nice bouquet, just for you. Just for you. Hats off, this was the toughest chapter in the history of the original Prusa i3. Have 20% of the gummy bears. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gummy bears. Whew. It was tough. I have to admit, it was tough. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. That was nice. Check the final look compared to the picture. Yeah. All right. Do we start another chapter? It's already, 5:17. How long is that one? How many steps? Oh! 3 pages? Of course we're going to do it. Okay. So boom. Let's clean a little bit. Let's clean a... So Mike is going to go here. Okay, can you hear me? LCD assembly. Okay, there are huge issues with this cable. Is it working now? Yes, it is. I will need to change it at some point. I'm sure of that. Okay. Let's prepare the LCD parts. All right. So first of all, we're going to leave this anyway. Ooh, I need the LCD box. Everything is in here. So, LCD cover, the famous Prusa LCD knob. Boom, right there. LCD support. We got 2. LCD screen. Oh, baby. Oh, this is a thick one. Whew. With the potentiometer on the right. It feels super nice. There you go. SD card, hardware, and that's it. With nuts and the screws. So these are just M310s, and these are just square nuts too. So that's perfect. First of all, checking the LCD cables. Before you start, ensure the cables are plugged in the correct order to the slot called XP1. Yes, you must be connected cable with one black stripe. I'm sorry, what? Must be connected cable with one black stripe. Oh, okay. Was scared for a sec. Yeah, one black stripe here, and the other one must have two black stripes here. Nice. Prepare the LCD controller and LCD supported printed parts as shown in the picture. So, not that one. Yep, that one. Rotate it this way and we insert it that way. All the way here. Repeat this step for the second part. Okay. Nice, nice. Ensure the correct orientation of the parts in the LCD controller. The exact position will be adjusted later. No need to worry about that at the moment. Assembling the LCD cover. Press the LCD controller with the LCD support into the LCD cover. Alright, alright. This is the other way, right? Yeah. Oh, almost. There you go. Nice. This is starting to really take shape and I love it. Is it nicely in here though? Yeah. Okay. You can now remove the protective foil from the screen. Don't throw it away. We will reapply it later. Really? Really? This is a joke, right? Oh, nice. One here and one there. Okay. Apply the protective foil on the screen. Make sure the foil is clean without any particles, or you might scratch the screen. No, this is the wrong way, obviously. And I did put particles on it. Goodness. Alright. Well, this really isn't the best job. Well, I don't need the foil. Yeah. Yeah. That's alright. We'll keep it around just in case, but I don't think I will need it. Then use the screws and place them in. Alright. Wait, what? Are you sure about that? But there is like nothing that holds them together. Did I forget something? No. Okay, but doesn't seem like they can screw in. They do. Impressive. Okay. Okay. And then we place the nuts. No. Whew. There. Mounting the LCD on the printer. Attention. In case you haven't assembled the anti-vibration feed yet, the front of the damaged part will... Wait, what? The front part of the printer will be resting on the mounting of the LCD. Please apply the feed. Now, I already applied the feed, so it's okay. Locate the holes for the M3 screws. Right there. Press through the M3 screws. That's one. Two, three, and four. Place the LCD. Move that away and tighten the screws. We will try. With the cables coming in front. Oh, I can do it by hand first, I guess. Not really. All right. Goodness. Boom. Whew. Okay. And then finally, we can put the knob onto the thing. Hell yeah. We deserve 4 gummy bears apparently for that mission. 1, 2, 3. And 4. Okay. Next step will be the heated bed. Well, the heat bed in PSU assembly. I think this one is a little bit harder to put in place. So I think we're going to leave this here for today. Yeah. So that was a really nice day. I'm really happy. There is a world of difference when there is a world of difference when you had a greater, my God, how many times am I going to say this sentence? There is a world of difference when you actually have like a good night of sleep. Oh, I am so happy. It seems that we are almost done. If I look at the actual number of chapters that you have, there is 9 chapters. We are at chapter 7. And this is amazing. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks everyone. Please enjoy the rest of your day. And apart from that, I guess I'll talk to you very soon on the internet. Goodbye, everyone.